Alright, today in a quick speed shop we're going to do a tool review on the Central Pneumatic needle scaler. It's for getting rust off. It's got a bunch of circulating metal scales, and we're going to open it up here. I ordered this on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can get them through like Harbor Freight and stuff like that. It was, I believe, $47. So we'll take a look. Comes with some instruction manual here. I'm going to forgo that and open it right up. Lubricate, want to put your oil in here. Lubricate daily. So what basically this is a pneumatic tool. You put your air fitting in here and you hold down the throttle, and it takes all these steel tines. These are hardened steel tines, and it oscillates them in and out and just beats on rust with the end of here, and it works good for taking scale off. You can get in tight crevices and cracks and stuff and just beat it out here. Got a little bit of pipe sealer on my air fitting here. I'll just thread this right in. I'm just going to take a little bit of air tool oil here. And we will, a couple of drops right in here. Oop. Should be way more than plenty. Let's go over here and check this thing out. Here's our tool here. Let's take a look. Let's see how it works. I got this rusty engine block here. See, it just beats on the rust a little bit. It really is just that simple. These little tines just beat on things. They're hardened. There was loose scale here, and I've just shined up the side of the block. You can see some shiny cast iron here on the side of the engine. And I went and I got to still do these crevices, but what we did right here, it cleaned up good. There was some scale on the side of the oil filter boss, and it took that right off. So essentially all it does is just rotate these tines around and act as a bunch of little chisels to chisel away your rust. So it's essentially just that easy. The needle scaler, just get it out of the box, put your air fitting in it, put a little bit of oil in, and have at it. Here's the model number right here. I ordered it for, like I said, from Amazon, but I think you can get it at Harbor Freight as well, and probably other places that sell Central Pneumatic. The compact air needle scaler. So it's going to work out good for what I need it for. Clean up that engine block. I got some other things I got to do. I got a truck frame. I want to knock some rust off around some edges, and it for $47, I think it's a good tool, good investment. This is an easy one. Not really anything complicated at all. Put your fitting on, plug it in, and start scaling. So thanks for watching. Another tool review here at the Quick Speed Shop. I'm doing hot rod builds, Jeep builds, truck builds, tool reviews, fluid film, whatever else I'm doing. You can check it out here at the Quick Speed Shop. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home.